Hello guys, welcome to Programming with Isabel. Today we are going to learn about how we can use Recycler View to display a list. Let's start with a new project. Select empty activity and we will name it as Recycler View. Okay, so this is our main activity. First of all, we need to add library for Recycler View. This is the library for Recycler View. Just copy and paste in your build.gradle file and sign it now. You notice here that I'm using androidx. If you didn't migrate to androidx, then just go to refactor and click migrate to androidx. Okay, so back to main activity. First of all, remove this and show layout decoration. We are not going to use constant layout, we will use frame layout. And in frame layout, I'm going to add text view. Text will be useful features. Text size will be 24 sp. Text color will be color primary. Alignment, text alignment will be center. Margin top will be 20 dp. No, I think 10 dp will be enough. That's all. Now add Recycler View. Height and width will be match parent. Okay, now add margin top. Just copy this. Margin top will be 50 dp. Okay, we are all set. Now we need to add layout file. For, as you can see, there are items here. To display item here, we need a new layout. So add layout resource file and name it as useful features list. Okay, we will use relative layout. And also add ID. ID will be features list and change height to 70 dp because we don't need full space, we only need enough space to display one item. So 70 dp will be enough. As you can see, I have added linear layout and margin top will be 20 dp, orientation will be horizontal, and in this linear layout I have added two layout. One is image view and the other one is text view. In image view we are going to display logo, like if we are going to use notifications, then here the image for notification will be displayed. I have used linear layout, nested linear layout, so that I can fix this. I have give weight 2 to second one and weight 1 to logo. Okay, these are the properties I said. I've set font family to small caps, sans serif small caps, text style will be bold, color will be this, and margin start will be 10 dp and text size will be 20. Okay, let's add this font family to here also. Okay, I think we are all set. Now let's move towards some Java coding. We need to add two packages. One is for model and the other one is adapter, because we need adapter and model class, so we will add these classes in these packages. Okay, features list adapter. I will just copy this because I need it later. And the second one is features list model. Okay, in features list model we are going to call these two. One is image and the other one is text view. So here is our model class, and we are going to take string name and the other one is integer, that will be image id, or you can say logo. Also set them private. Okay, now we need to add getter and setter, but first we will add constructor and then getter and setter for both of these. Okay, we are done with our model class. Now let's head towards adapter class. In adapter class we also need view holder. So first add view holder, public static class name will be view holder. This will extend view holder, recycler view holder. Okay, and this in view holder we are going to call these two, text view and image view. So the ID for text view is mobile name and the ID for image view is logo. So public text view name and public image view will be logo. and in constructor we are going to call initialize these name equals to item view dot find view by id r dot id dot okay, let's import class mobile name and image view, not image view, that's logo equals to item view dot find view by id r dot id dot logo, and we also need relative layout, so I will just copy the name public, because we need to inflate this relative layout. We also need to call this relative layout and name will be relative layout. Initialization okay, it's showing error because we need this line at start. Okay, we are done with view holder class. Now extend this adapter class with adapter of recycler view, and here features list adapter dot view holder. Okay, it's showing some error, so implement methods, and we will implement all these methods. Okay, as you can see we have 3 methods here: on create view holder, on bind view holder, and on and get item counts. So in on create view holder we are going to inflate the view, inflate this view to recycler view. Okay, but before that we need 2 more things. One is private or model class features list model, feature list models, and context private context and we need a constructor with both these as a parameter. And now we are going to inflate. Okay, here I inflate the layout. This is the layout that we create here. So, and I have inflated and return the view holder, and after that on bind view holder. In on bind view holder, first of all I have got the position of the list item, and after that we are setting string value and image to these 2 things that we have here. And after that if we click on any of the item in the recycler view, then what will happen? A toast will appear saying the name of the thing in the list. Okay, now comes get item counts. In get item counts we are going to return this features list model dot length. Okay, we are done with features list adapter. Now head towards main activity. In main activity we are going to call, let's call the model class useful, not useful, features list model. Features list model equals to new features list model, and here we are going to add the values that we need, like new features list model. In our model class, you see, in constructor we need two things, the name and the logo. So for logo, let's add some images in drawable file. So name, new, assets, and select action bar and icons, and from here android, okay, and name it as android. Change the color to custom, and we will take some color like this, or we will change this, okay, and next, finish. Like these, import some images, and here we will write the name android, and the image will be r.drawable.ic android, and after comma we are going to copy and paste this code, and we will add some images in drawable folder also. Okay, I am done with adding some list, and the icons are alert, android, delete, dialer, email info, map, notifications, and the logo of my channel, and these are the names. And we need to add one more thing, that is recycler view. Okay, first of all, you can see we have initialized the recycler view. This is the ID that we write here, and after that I have attached the adapter and set the recycler view size to fixed size, and I have added some decoration like divider, and set the layout manager to linear layout manager, and set adapter to recycler view. That's all we need. Now let's run this, and here is our application. This is the recycler view, and this is the list that we have added, the name with images, and if we click on any of it, you see a toast will appear. That's all. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.